When you look at an object from a fixed position, you can describe it based on what you see. In engineering drawing, several views are required to completely describe an object. Let's say this is our reference object and is presently in isometric view. Projections can be created on planes relative to the viewing position. We may choose to place the projection planes before or after the object. The location of the planes defines our projection as first or a third angle projection. In the first angle projection, an observer's view is projected behind the object being viewed as shown in the animation. These projections produce three views named front view, end view, and plan. When the three views are placed on one plane, the result is as seen on screen. The first angle projection symbol is indicated at the bottom right position of the screen. In the third angle projection, an observer's view is projected on the side it is viewed from, as shown in the animation. When the figures are placed on one plane, the result is as seen on screen. The third angle projection symbol is indicated at the bottom right position.